So today we're here at the subway station. We're gonna take a train over to Chengdu. It's gonna take about an hour and a half to get there. But while we're here, we're taking business class on the train, whatever that means. But you do get access to the business class lounge. So we're gonna go see what that looks like right now, because we do still have a little time before the train actually starts. That's a lot of people going to business class though. That's a lot of people going into business class.
That's a regular station. We're going to the next station.
Oh, okay, cool. That makes it a little better.
Seats and dinner drinks.
Oh, that's kind of sad. That's not much of a business class lounge. It also kind of smells like pee in here. What's this? It has Doraemon on it.
It's lychee flavored drink.
No, that's not good. Too sweet.
Let's go.
Okay. Definitely not a, what do you call it? Not like a hotel lounge. I mean, a airplane lounge. It said X, but I mean, the ticket was correct, so she just let me in. So this will be our super train for the next hour and a half. Heading to Chengdu. This is not business class? Ooh, these are cool. There's nobody here. So we are in the business class section. Look how big these seats are. Look at how much lounge space you get in the front. It's it's so big. So there's a fold-up chair, lounge-style seating. There's even a little flashlight if you want to read. Oh, you can actually lie all the way down too. It doesn't have to be just, it's not just reclining to like a couch position. You do get a lunch thing. Oh, there's a TV in here. Sweet. There's a TV in here too. That's pretty sick. Then here you have the restroom. Pretty clean. Super white. Cleaner than most restrooms have been in Asia. Toilet, standard, nothing too interesting. They're pretty empty for today. I'm afraid to go outside. I kind of want to, but the train leaves in like 2 minutes. Ah, scary sound. It's gonna leave me.
It's gonna leave you?
It's so quiet in here. There's only like 2 other people besides us 2.
Yeah, because I had a couple stops, right? And every stop people coming in.
Oh, that does make sense. I forgot it's a train. It's not an airplane.
Alright, hold on, everybody. Hold together. 10 seconds.
So the candy man just came in and he gave us a bag of nuts that Nancy can't open because it's childproof. What's in it? Oh, it's a lot of snacks. Sweet. Real food would have been nice too.
Yeah.
Beef jerky. Some kind of a wafer cookie. Sesame cookie.
Mochi.
Oh, it's squishy.
These are
Sponge cake.
sponge cake. Piece of cookie.
Cookie.
Nuts.
And then nuts.
Croissant.
Hawthorne sticky candy. That's not terrible. And then freaking water.
Yep.
Water.
Water.
Water. Water. Water. Water. He's standing awfully close to the door. Hey, look, it's Vin Diesel. I guess he's sponsoring a scooter. Damn, look at all the Asians. So many Asians. So we have arrived at Chengdu train terminal, bus terminal, something terminal. Just trying to figure out how to get the hell out of here and onto a taxi. And we're gonna go straight to the hotel. It's actually kind of pretty here, nice and clean. So we are at our hotel for the next few nights. It's this one that looks like a Chinese museum.
It looks like an old Chinese.
An old Chinese museum. So if you leave them a 5-star review, they'll let you have one of these little toys. But I don't want that toy. It doesn't look that fun. And it's also very pink. And there's a big old chair in here. I feel like a giant. This place has a book bar. So we're in a room 8701. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Tatami.
It's a tatami with a beanbag. Yeah, that's so cool. We're sleeping on the floor. Let's see, so you get a little tea room set as well. Let's look into the restroom here. Hey. Got a pretty modern looking sink. Cute little boy girl cup. Toilet. What is the toilet? Oh, you can spray your own butt with the hose. Nothing interesting there. Hole.
That's what I want.
What? So you got a shower right here at the first entryway, and then you can walk through it. And then there is literally a bathtub in the ground.
You like it?
Yes. How sick is that? And you got a pretty
It's okay with you.
decent view as well.
Because actually it's a whole window, you know.
Ew. The only thing that would make this better is this was a jacuzzi tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. But still, this is pretty sick. Got a couple steps here.
$80 a night.
80 bucks a night? I would live here all day.
And the bed is comfy. Oh my god, it's comfy.
That's pretty cute. This whole place is like Japanese style.
No. So you have it in China first.
Does it come in? Does it come with food like a Japanese one?
We have breakfast.
Oh. But it's probably just kind of whack, right? This room is so nice. They even have a little room service menu, which I thought we could check out real quick. Goyron recipes. What you eat with you is gourmet food, noble people, whatever. We got some pork belly that looks pretty good. Some kind of a, I don't know, veggie-ish dish. Some kind of like a Szechuan meatball. They even have abalone. That's pretty high end. What must be the ugliest looking sandwich on the planet? So I just noticed one thing while taking a shower that I thought was funny. I thought I'd show you guys. The toilet here actually has an SOS button. I don't know what please wait means, but I guess the SOS is in case you run out of toilet paper and get stuck in here. Or if, you fall and slip or whatever. And then I saw this genius thing right on the wall. So this is actually a clothesline because Asian people don't really use dryers. You just take this little part right here, stretch it over, and you can hang your clothes. Isn't that pretty cool? Still never use that though.